Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are making these crispy oven baked potato spirals. And trust me, if you love potatoes, you are going to love this one. They are crispy, golden, cheesy, and so easy to make. Let's get started. Start with a firm, fresh potato and carefully push a strong wooden skewer through the center. Now comes the most important part, creating the spiral. Carefully cut around the potato while keeping your knife at a slight angle, rotating the potato as you go. Take your time with this step. Good precision means you will get one continuous spiral instead of separate slices when you stretch it out. Once the cutting is done, gently pull the potato apart along the skewer to create that beautiful spiral shape. Be very gentle here. If you stretch it too aggressively, you can break or detach the potato. Slowly and carefully is the key. And just look at that. This is exactly the spiral we want. Next, brush the entire potato with melted butter. This helps the seasoning stick, encourages beautiful browning, and gives the finished potato that crispy, rich flavor. Make sure you brush gently so you don't break the spiral. And if you're enjoying this recipe so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Now, season generously with salt, followed by freshly ground black pepper and a little paprika, all to taste. You want every part of the potato to be lightly coated because that seasoning is going to bring the whole dish together. Place the potato onto a tray lined with parchment paper, making sure the spiral is nicely spread out. Then into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, bring it out and look at that beautiful golden color. The edges are crispy, the inside is tender, and we are almost there. Now, for an extra layer of flavor, generously sprinkle over some Parmesan cheese and return the potatoes into the oven for just 1 minute until the cheese melts beautifully. Once our potatoes are finishing in the oven, let's finally chop some fresh parsley. This will add a fresh aroma and a beautiful pop of color. And there we have it. Just look at that beautiful crispy potato spiral with that melted Parmesan. Finally, finish with some fresh chopped parsley. It adds fresh aroma, a little extra flavor, and that beautiful pop of freshness against the crispy potato. And voila, crispy oven baked potato spiral. Make right at home. This is definitely a must-try recipe, especially if you love crispy potatoes with plenty of flavor. For more easy homemade restaurant-style recipes, check out my playlist. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until we meet in the next one, peace out. Bon appetit.